The whisper of the charts. When I first opened a Forex trading chart, I saw nothing but chaos. Green and red candles rising and falling like waves in an endless ocean. My hands trembled on the mouse. My heart raced, not because of fear, but because something deep inside whispered, "This could change your life." Back then, I was lost. Bills piled on my table. Dreams collected dust in the corners of my room. I felt invisible in a loud world. And then, one night, under the soft glow of my laptop screen, I found Forex. It was more than numbers. It was hope, dressed in candlesticks. The first trade I placed, I lost. My heart sank like a stone. It wasn't just money, it felt like I lost a piece of myself. But that night, as tears blurred the screen, I made a promise: I won't quit. I will learn. So I studied. Hours turned into days. I read about pips, leverage, risk management. I learned how discipline matters more than luck. I discovered that Forex is not about predicting the future, it's about managing the present. Slowly, I realized it wasn't the market I was fighting. It was my own fear. Every trader's chart tells a story. Red candles are heartbreaks. Green candles are little victories. And between them lies courage, silent, invisible courage that no one sees but every trader feels. There were nights I cried quietly, staring at the screen. There were mornings I woke with fire in my chest. Some days, profits flowed like rivers. Other days, they vanished like smoke. But through it all, something beautiful grew inside me. Belief. Belief that I could rise after falling. Belief that loss is not the end, but a lesson. Belief that my dreams were worth every sleepless night. People see trading as money. But for me, it became a mirror. It showed me my patience, my greed, my fear, my strength. It forced me to meet the real me, the one who never gives up. And then one day, it happened. A perfect trade. Not big, not loud, but perfect. Because it was made with calm, not fear. With patience, not haste. With wisdom, not desperation. That small win lit up my soul more than any paycheck ever could. It wasn't about the dollars. It was about becoming the person who could earn them. If you are standing where I once stood, afraid, broke, tired, know this: the market does not reward fear, but it honors discipline. It respects the brave. It whispers secrets to those who listen with patience. Forex is not a shortcut. It is a journey through your emotions, your failures, your victories. And like any great journey, it will break you before it builds you. But when it builds you, you will stand taller, your heart will burn brighter, and every candle on the chart will tell your story of courage, growth, and rebirth. So don't trade just for money. Trade for your future. Trade for your freedom. Trade for the dreamer inside you who refuses to die. Because somewhere between the green and the red, between the fear and the hope, between the losses and the wins, you will find yourself. And that is the real profit. Yellow heart.